Hi guys, Roger from Gateway Cycles here, back with you from Mount Sterling. It's a beautiful day and I've got a beautiful new machine here for you. This is a 2009 Can Am Spyder SES. This thing has custom exhaust, got new sprockets front and rear, good tires all the way around. A little over 40,000 miles on this. Give you a walk around here and let you get a good look at the machine here. Really impressive machine. First time I'd ever ridden one of these, and I tell you, I was pleasantly surprised. Let me get around here and crank this thing up for you guys so you can hear what it sounds like. Bear with me here. Nice exhaust note from this machine here. Come on down to Gateway Cycles and check out this beauty for yourself.